So we have created this project with the TestNG. So you can see all the libraries here, the SRC, then we have the main and test option. So in this way you can install the TestNG plugin in Windows for the Eclipse. Now here we have to click on the select all and the trust selected. So it will complete all your installation. Then click on the no button. So I'm not going to restart it right now. Then let's create one Marvel project. So click on the create Marvel project. Just select this create a simple project. Click on the next button. Now here give the group ID as demo project. Same you can give in the artifact ID and click on this finish button. So we have created the project. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install the latest version of TestNG plugin in the Eclipse. So first you have to install the latest version of Eclipse. So I have installed it. So let's start. First we have to check that Eclipse TestNG is installed or not in our systems. For that go to help, then above the Eclipse IDE, then click on installation details. So here you will see all the plugins which you have in your system. So you can directly search as well. So let's search TestNG. So you can see we don't have TestNG right now. So let's close this and install it. For that we have to go to the help. Then here we have option for the Eclipse marketplace. Open that. It will take small time to open. Now here type TestNG. So you will get the TestNG plugin here. Just hit enter. So this is the plugin which we are going to install. Now click on this install button. Then let's wait till this process complete. It will take small time to get all the libraries. So we have to wait till it complete. Now click on the confirm button. Now here we have to accept the all terms and condition and license agreement. Then click on finish button. So you can see installing software. It is in progress. Let me wait till this installation is complete.